Great looking, amazing sound, outstanding price. Today, we have the Sony GS speakers on the product spotlight table. Look at all of these. Now, let's make some space. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Davis YouTube channel, your place for product spotlights, the Orange Couch Crush series, recorded webinars from manufacturers, and our newest offering, the Eat, Sleep, Install, Repeat podcast, where we sit down with industry leaders and take a deeper look at what makes their products and them tick. Be sure to check out our full lineup, subscribe, and give us a like. As you can see here, we have the 12-inch single voice coil GS subwoofer, which also comes in a 10-inch version. And then for the speaker lineup, you have a 6.5-inch coaxial and component set, and a 6x8-inch and 6x9-inch coaxial. Let's get this 6x9 out of the box. Each model features a durable polypropylene cone to deliver deep bass while suppressing peaks and dips in the mid and high frequencies, ensuring smooth integration with the tweeter. The tweeter design you see here is borrowed from Sony's premium ES speaker line. That's a silk soft dome tweeter that boasts a flat frequency response and wider dispersion. This all equates to natural and smooth sounding highs and vocals. With the component set, the tweeters can be paired with the newly designed angled mounts and surface mount adapters. These ensure flexible installation in a wide variety of vehicles for the best acoustic results. Below the tweeter here, you can see these grooves. This is Sony's dynamic air diffuser. This allows better air circulations for smooth cone travel and cooling of the voice coil. And under all of that is the GS Series progressive height rate spider. The acoustically optimized spider allows for higher power handling and airflow. The profile also allows for more rapid and precise cushioning of the speaker cone. Now onto the subs. As I said before, the GS Series has both a 10 and 12-inch single voice coil model. The lightweight cone diaphragm directly connects to the voice coil to accurately reproduce tight, low-end bass. The rubber surround you see here reduces excessive vibration and supports cone excursion with less distortion. These features result in solid bass response at high volumes, ensuring your customer's system can play loud and clear. The spider featured in the subwoofers is also redesigned just like the speakers. And just like the speakers, it allows for higher power handling and better airflow. To increase signal integrity and prevent sound interference, the lead wire from the voice coil is sewn into the spider, which reduces wire movement. So now you've seen how they look, you know why they sound great, but what really makes the GS Series stand out is price. The GS Series is the perfect addition to any audio system. Whether you're getting your personal ride upgraded or equipping your shop with a new go-to speaker line, Sony GS Series delivers performance and value you can trust. Thanks for tuning in. Please make sure to log into davisdealers.com or call your Davis salesperson for more info and availability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a product spotlight, Orange Couch Crush, or our latest podcast episodes. Got questions or thoughts? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. See you guys next time.